Welcome to the AutoCAD manual. Today let us draw this figure. So I'll begin by drawing these two circles. The first circle has a radius of 45 millimeters. Therefore select the center radius option. And then from this center point, I'll type in 45 and press enter. And the second circle has a diameter of 100 millimeters. Therefore I'll select the center diameter option. Then from this center point, I'll type in 100 and press enter. Now I will draw a line from the top of this inside circle and extend it downward. The line should have a length of 22.5 millimeters. Therefore, select the line command. And then from this point here, I'll type in 22.5 and press enter. Now, draw a circle of 22.5 millimeter radius, and the center point of this circle should be at this end point of this line, this end point here. So now I'll select the center radius option. Then from this center point, I'll type in 22.5 and press enter. Again, from the same center point, draw a circle of 17.5 millimeter radius. So I'll select the center radius option again. Then from this center point, I'll type in 17.5 and press enter. Now let me erase this line. Now let us apply the polar array command to these two circles that we have just drawn. So I'll select the polar array command. Then I'll select these two circles and press enter. After that, I'll specify this point here to be the center point of the array. And now I'll change the value of the item count from 6 to 4. So I'll type 4 and press enter. And then I'll close the array. Now let us trim and erase all the parts that we don't need. So I'll select the trim command and press enter. Then press enter, and let us drag these short lines